Okay, great. So now I'm going to show you how to send meeting requests and how to action meeting requests. So it's all very simple. From this drop down menu, just select meetings. So to send a request, pick send a request. Here you'll have visibility of all our different vendors. If you want to refine your search, click on filters. You can refine by the services, for example. Also make sure these toggles are on companies and on vendors. So yeah, once you found the vendor that you want, all you have to do is select the vendor, pick the delegate from the vendor side who you wish to meet with, and then all you have to do is then select request meeting. It will then take you to this page. You can add a colleague to the meeting. As a reminder, you can have a maximum of 2 colleagues attend per meeting, and it will count as a meeting for the both of you. You can then select again which delegates you want to meet from the vendor side, and then you can select the meeting slot. So we'll select the meeting slot of interest, and then we just add a brief message of why we want to meet them, and then all we have to do is press request meeting, and it's very simple. That is it, and then you'll get a notification for when that meeting request has been actioned. Okay, now how do you action a meeting request that has been sent to you? Okay, all you have to go to is request received. Click on the meeting, and you can again select who in the company wants to attend. You can select the time and the date, and then you can accept meeting, and then you can choose whether to sync that meeting with your calendar or not. So in this case, I'm just going to write no thank you, and now the meeting is accepted. And once you've accepted a meeting, it will be populated in your agenda, so that time will be blocked out, and everyone else will have visibility that time is blocked out in your calendar. Now, if you wanted to reschedule a meeting, so for example, if you go to My Meetings, this shows the meetings which have been accepted. You wanted to reschedule, just click on and then click on Modify, and then Reschedule Meeting. And then, okay, in this instance, it says there are no other common slots, but usually there will be. And then all you have to do is click on this. It will have a drop-down menu, and then you can reschedule the meeting at a different time and date, which is convenient for you. And that is all from the meeting section.